Alright guys, this is your mate Aries Tao. I hope all of you are doing well. Summer is finally here in Sydney. We decide to go for a lifestyle photo shoot to show you gorgeous people how we Sydneysiders enjoy our summer. Try to keep things nice and simple. I only use one AD1200 Pro through this entire photo shoot. Rock pool swimming is a super fun way to kickstart the summer morning as well as your metabolism. Not only it's great cardio, but also you get to enjoy the fresh air and stunning view around the Bondi area. Going for a dramatic look, I underexposed the ambient by about 2 stops. I use a reflective umbrella with diffuser here, so the soft light aligns with the ambient of a cloudy day. You can see the flash not only defines Maria's body shape, also makes the water extra crisp. Here's some cool stays of the rock pool. As Maria is under shade of the rocks, makes her underexposed. I decide to bring in a flash to lit her up. Reflective umbrella mimics the perfect natural light, which also makes Maria's skin shine and glow. And the sun comes out, the perfect time to jump into the water. You guys may notice I take out the RF19 standard reflector. The reason is silver interior delivers harsh and crispy light, which perfectly mimics the sun. RF19 helps to form a natural shape of swirl around Maria and spotlight her to be the brightest part of the image. There are plenty of cool spots around the Bondi to relax for a swim. You do breakfast, yoga, meditation, or simply enjoy the sea breeze and doing nothing. Since most of the weight of AD1200 Pro is on the battery pack, the head is relevantly light itself, which helps my mind to move it around without much hassle. As you guys can see, the ambient light comes from the back, which is not ideal, so we play around with the direction of light. In the first image, we try the light from the right to mimic the morning light, which better defines her abs for an athletic look. In the second shot, we light her from above to mimic the noon light, which emphasizes her bust for a more feminine look. With stand-up paddleboarding, you get to access lots of hidden gems around Bondi. We decide to have fun with it. The weather is a bit windy, so my might team helps to hold the board with Maria. Since the board blocks the sun, AD1200 Pro helps to lit her face up to keep the sky properly exposed. Noontime. The sun is high and the light is harsh. I find the umbrella is quite beneficial in this case. One, it blocks out the harsh sunlight, so Maria is under shade. Second, it delivers soft light with the same direction as the sun, a brighter and softer version of the sunlight. The flash wraps around, better defines her bone structure, and makes her skin glow. Time is 1 PM and it's super hot. Everyone can't wait to jump into the water. As you can see the wave, it's tough for Maria to stay within one place. So I ask her to paddle around and have some fun. AD1200 Pro is used to fill up the shadow area. As she's continuously moving, I use HSS at aperture 1.4 to freeze the motion and soften the background. For safety purpose, I kept the light from the water. The AD1200 Pro lighted up from about 4 to 6 meters away effortlessly. I am a soft light guy, but harsh light does work sometimes. Check the images out and comments below. Let me know if the harsh light suits your taste. With HSS and short flash duration, AD1200 Pro is the perfect light to do jumping shot. I underexposed the ambient so the sky details are retained. Then, Maria sports this nice rod. You can see that we use an umbrella to put her under shadow again, and then adding flash to make her pop out. It's a great idea to stay hydrated, especially after the exercise we had. I told her to keep on drinking, and I take some images since we have already got a light in place. HSS and short flash duration helps to freeze the water. Swimming, relaxing on a cliff, stand-up paddleboarding is pretty much how we enjoy our summer and crazy holiday. AD1200 Pro helps us to handle different outdoor locations easier than ever, with the superb 1200 watt output, bright light from distant away, and short flash duration. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed the photo shoot. Comment below, let me know what's your favorite shot and what you want me to show you in the next episode. This is your Midday Aries Tao. I will see you in the next talk.